Today, I'll show you how to build a floor plan with draw.io. First, open your browser and go to draw.io. You may also see it called diagrams.net. Open a new blank diagram, or create a new file and choose where you want to save it. Once the editor opens, you will see the main canvas in the middle of the screen. This is where you will draw the floor plan. Before adding rooms, it helps to turn on the grid. Go to View, then make sure Grid is enabled. The grid helps you line up walls, doors, rooms, and furniture more neatly. Now start with the outside walls. On the left side, choose a rectangle shape or a line shape. Drag it onto the canvas and resize it to match the outside shape of your floor plan. If you use a rectangle, you can make the border thick and remove the fill color. This will make it look like walls. To change the wall style, click the shape, then use the style options on the right side. Increase the line thickness and choose a dark color like black or gray. Next, add the inside walls. Use line shapes to divide the space into rooms, such as bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, hallway, and storage area. Try to keep your lines straight and aligned with the grid. Now add labels for each room. Double-click inside each room and type the room name, like bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, or living room. You can resize the text and move it to the center of the room. After that, add doors and windows. For doors, you can use a short line and an arc shape to show how the door opens. For a simple version, you can just leave a small gap in the wall and label it as a door. For windows, use thin blue or light gray rectangles placed along the outer walls. Next, add furniture if needed. You can use simple shapes to represent furniture. For example, use rectangles for beds, sofas, tables, desks, counters, and cabinets. Use circles for round tables or stools. Label the furniture if you want the plan to be easier to understand. If you need more shapes, click More Shapes on the left side and look for Floor Plan, Architecture, or Basic Shape Libraries if available. Keep the design simple. A floor plan does not need too many details. The main goal is to show the room layout clearly. When everything is finished, review the plan. Make sure the rooms are labeled, the walls are clear, and the doors and windows are easy to see. Then click File, then Save. To share it, click File, then Export As, and choose PNG, PDF, JPEG, or SVG. So, to keep it simple, open draw.io, turn on the grid, draw the outside walls, add inside walls, label the rooms, add doors, windows, and furniture, then save or export your floor plan. And that's how you build a floor plan with draw.io. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.